brother's been doing these videos where he actually talks to the camera, so I figured I'd give it a shot. If you want to, go look him up. What's Up with Richard? He's got a good video series. Anyways, here it is. We got about 6 inches of snow, heavy wet snow. It took me 2 hours to clear off the driveway here. I'm in my truck. I'm essentially heading across 3 states to go to the western UP for a snowmobile trip. So not exactly the time you want to get dumped on with a bunch of rainy, icy, heavy wet snow. Doesn't make the travels fun, but I think I'm looking forward to this trip. Okay, well, this is a good sign. I think out on 32 Mile Road here in Romeo, Michigan, looks like they got enough salt down to essentially just get all the roads wet here, and most everything's clear. So if this road's clear, I'm hoping that we have some good safe travels across Michigan down to St. Joe, and then tomorrow we head through Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin, and back up to the UP. So hopefully this is the worst we see on the roads, and our way for an adventure. So, been through Flint, Lansing, Battle Creek, Kalamazoo. Got through Kalamazoo here just a minute ago. Got about a half hour to drive to get to Jim's house, where we'll load his sled up and essentially park it for the night. Weather's been pretty good. It's pretty windy, and I notice it's getting even windier the closer I get to Lake Michigan. Pushing my trailer around pretty good. I've been getting pretty poor gas mileage the whole way, but I think I can make it all the way through. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to go and essentially just go straight through, fill up before I go to Jim's and get a sled. So hopefully we can make it and not run out of gas, but shouldn't be an issue. Slowing down here a little bit. We'll see how the next half hour goes, and should get there before the sun sets and have daylight to get his machine loaded, and we'll go from there. I call Jim, let him know I'm close.
Hey Bob, how's it going?
Doing good. So I'm probably about a half hour away, because once I get in town there, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up with gas before I come get you. So
Okay.
So probably a half hour.
About quarter after 4?
Yeah, that's about right.
Pretty good time.
Yeah, I didn't stop and get anything to eat. I'll grab a snack when I get gas. Just figured I'd drive through.
It's windy as heck out there. I was out doing the driveway.
Yeah, it's blowing me all over. I've slowed down. I was getting horrible gas mileage. I think I can make it to that gas station there on Niles and Lincoln Avenue, so I'll do that, and then I'll just come pick you up.
Okay.
All right, see you in a bit.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
up here to pick up Jim. Not too far away. It was a better drive than I expected. Here. We got both machines loaded up. Throw a little bit of gear in here and we'll be ready to go. Good morning. We've started our trip. We're on our way almost out of Michigan, coming up here on the Indiana state line. We'll be here in a little bit. Weather's a little crappy from the lake effect snow, but hopefully when we get around through Chicago, we won't see much over there. It's our first state crossing, Indiana. Welcome to Indiana. Now we're crossing into Illinois. Welcome to Illinois, the land of Lincoln. I think Tad knows something about Lincoln. Coming up on the Wisconsin border, we've got blue skies over here coming around the west side of Lake Michigan. Should be a pretty good drive the rest of the way.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
Welcome to Wisconsin. These county roads are a little bit sketchy. Kind of cutting through. Shortest route, I think, the fastest route to get up from Minnesota into Michigan. Wisconsin. What did I say?
Minnesota.
Minnesota. Why do I keep thinking this is Minnesota? We're going from Wisconsin into Michigan, and should be crossing the state line here in just a little bit on these county roads. I think I see the sign up there. Passing into Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Pure Michigan. And believe it or not, it looks like the roads are actually salted a little better than they were.
Yeah.
Snowmobile trails, here we come.